What is the difference between a GT3 and GT3RS? Let's find out in 60 seconds. Many people think the GT3 and RS are the same, but this is a common misunderstanding. Both are high-performance models from Porsche, but they have very distinct differences. The GT3 is designed for a balance of everyday use and track performance. It offers exhilarating speed and precision handling on the track, but its comfortable interior and modern amenities make it a practical choice for daily driving. On the other hand, the GT3RS is all about pushing the limits on the track. The RS stands for Rennsport, meaning racing sport in German. It boasts advanced aerodynamics, lighter materials, and a more aggressive suspension setup, making it faster and more agile on the track. So what is your pick?